Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can find your Pi wallet address or your Pi wallet deposit address that you can send to someone so they can send you over some Pi on your Pi wallet. So let's get started. Also, if you guys want to know how you can sell your Pi coins, you can watch the video in the upper right corner, and I will also link it at the end of this video. So let's continue. Now, first off, to get your address you would need to open your Pi browser. And from here you would need to access your Pi wallet. So just go ahead and click on the wallet option. Now once that loads up, you would just need to log in into your wallet or unlock your wallet. And you can do that by copy pasting your 24-word phrase right here that you got once you created your wallet initially, or you can unlock it with a fingerprint, which I will do. And here is your Pi wallet. Now here you can see your balance as well as your transaction history. So to get your Pi wallet address, you would just need to click on this copy button right here. So this is your Pi wallet address right here, and you can just copy it by clicking here. And now your Pi wallet address is copied over. And now to whoever you send that address over, that person can send you some Pi coins. And that's guys how you can get your Pi wallet address. If you found this video helpful, you can watch this video next, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.